Mutant squash. Today on Cooking with Kevin, look at the size of that thing. We have 2 medium-sized onions, those are Vidalias, and 1 red onion, 1 stalk of celery. And of course, look at the size of that squash. So we're making mutant squash. With a monster squash like this, the first thing you have to do is get to the meat of it, and that means peeling. We're gonna take the knife. Cue Wilhelm scream. We're gonna get rid of a little bit of this at the end. Alright guys, just close your eyes for a second. It's only gonna hurt for a bit. Oh, there it is. There we go. Alright, looks pretty solid here. And then we're gonna make this a little more manageable. Now to season, I'm going to use garlic pepper seasoning. I'm going to coat the top. Ah, you can smell it too. You can smell it up there. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to put just a little sriracha. Just a bit for it to come through. There we go. I think that's enough. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees, and we're going to slow bake it. So when the oven is preheated, we're going to cover it with olive oil, and we're going to pop that in. A little bit of olive oil, just enough to get a little everything. That's everything going at the bottom without drying it out too much, because we want this to sink, and then we'll be able to apply whatever we want on top after we do a little taste test. This is how it looks now. Putting it in for an hour. 350. We'll see how it looks when it comes out. Okay. Let's see how this looks. We put a little cheese on it. That right there. Final ingredient. I'm going to put some Lydia's Tuscan pepper arborita, mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle that over the top. Get the old pot holders out. I'm going to put this back in. Okay, we pulled it. And that's the final product. Let's put some on the plate and see what it tastes like. Well, alright. Thank you for joining me Cooking with Kevin. This is for the mutant squash.